So 2 days before your trip out here, you decide, I'm not going. And you call and tell her. What happened?
I was a little bit on the fence. I feel like I had never even been to Utah before my visit, and I had no idea what it was going to be like. My parents both had some reservations, and so I had also just gone to Michigan State, and so which is my dad's alma mater.
Oh, man.
Like, I'd be a couple hours from family. I thought it was amazing, and I still do. I love the coaches there. I think that they've really got something special. And so I called Holly. I was like, hey, like, I'm not sure. I'm, kind of on the fence. And she was like, just come and, just have your own experience and, like, kind of see where that takes you. There's no pressure from her. It wasn't like you have to come. But she really advised me to just kind of take that leap and, have my own perspective on BYU.